Hello everyone, myself Parag Patel, working as Assistant Professor in IT/ICT Department of LJ Institute of Engineering and Technology. Now in today's video lecture, I will discuss about the next topic of combinations. So here we discuss about the combinations with repetition. So see here, we already know what is the combination. In combination, we can consider the C of NR. That means we have a n number of element available in a list, and from the available n element we have to select or choose r elements. So for example, s equal to 1 2 3, three elements are available, then we have to select the two element from this three element. Then what is the different way? 1 2 1 3 and 2 3. So it is called the combination. Now here this combination is without repetition. Now we have to discuss about the combination with repetition. So see here, the number of R combinations from a set of n elements when representation of element or repetitions of element are allowed in representation. So see here, repetition is like any number of time you can repeat the elements. So here equation is C of n plus R minus 1 R. That means in place of NCR we can write the n plus R minus 1 R. So see here, for example, given set is 1 2 3, then what is the different combination possible with repetition? So 1 2 1 3 2 3 are already available according to without repetition. Now using the repetition we can add the new 3 as a 1 1 2 2 and 3 3. So it is called the repetition with combination. So here combination find using the repetition. Now here using this example we can understand how we can apply the combination with repetition. Here on their way of home from track practice, 7 high school freshmen stop at a restaurant. So here 7 freshmen stop at particular restaurant in a way, then where each of them has one of the following. That means first thing is cheeseburger, second one is hot dog, third one is taco, fourth one is fish sandwich. So 4 type of food are available at the restaurant. Now how many different purchases are possible from the viewpoint of the restaurant? So from using the 7 person, which item will be selected by the 7 person? How many possibilities for selecting the 4 item available 4 item? Select any one item using this 7 person. So how many possibilities for that? Now for that, here we consider the short form of all the 4 items. So E, that means cheeseburger, H, that means hot dog, T means taco, and F means fish sandwich. So short form is E, H, T and F. Now here we are concerned with how many of each item are purchased, not with the order in which they are purchased. So the problem is one of selections or combinations with repetition. So here we have to select the item with repetition and combinations. So here this problem is considered as a problem or example of the combinations with repetition. Now for that, here consider the one table. Now in this table we have a 2 part A and B. Now in A part we represent the C, H, T and F type of variable, and in table B we represent the X for each and every item. In this table we list some possible purchases in column A and another mean of representing in column B. Now see here. Here first element is like C, C, H, H, T, T, F. That means you select the 2C. Here total 7 student or 7 person available. That means C, first 2 select the C, next 2 select the H, next 2 select the T, and last person select the F. That means total 7 item is selected by the 7 student. So first column represent this type of process. Now after that, for the second column, in second column we represent the X in place of all the C, H, T and F, and we use the bar symbol Here standing line represent the bar symbol. So here this bar symbol divide the different thing like C and H divided by 1 bar, H and T divided by 1 bar, T and F divided by 1 bar. So here we have a total 4 type of thing, 4 type of items. So we use the 3 bar for representing this. So first 2x represent the C, next 2x between the 2 bar, first bar and second bar represent the H, then between second and third bar represent the T, and after the last bar we represent the F. So X representation is like this. Now after that here we represent this food in form of X and bar. So total 7 symbol used for the X, for example for C, for H, for T and for F, and 3 symbol used for the bar. So that means total 10 symbol used in this figure. So here how we can calculate the possibilities of that. So here total 10 object available with the X and bar. So total equal to 10 factorial. N equal to 10. Divide by 7 factorial into 3 factorial. R into N minus R factorial. So using this equation we find 10 factorial divided by 7 factorial into 3 factorial is equal to 10C7. That means this result is considered equivalent to 10C7. Now see here 7x, one of each fragment correspond to the size of the selection, and that 3 bars are needed to separate the 3 plus 1 equal to 4 possible food items. So 3 bar used for the 4 food items. So if we have a n number of food items, then n minus 1 number of bar is required for representing this thing. Now after that, common formulas for this type of problem. When we wish to select with repetition R of n distinct objects, we are consider all the arrangement of Rx and n minus 1 bar, and that their number is represented by n plus R minus 1 factorial divided by R factorial into n minus 1 factorial. This is a same equivalent equation is like n plus R minus 1 C R. So in place of n R we write here n plus R minus 1 R. So this is a simple common representation of combinations with repetition. So remember this equation for the examples. Now consequently the number of combinations of n object taken R at a time with repetition is called the C of n plus R minus 1 R. So this is another representation of combinations with repetitions. Now after that consider the example of the combinations with repetition. A donut shop offer the 20 kind of donuts. So we can say that the different how many type of donuts are available. So equal to 20. That means n equal to 20 type of donuts available. Now out of the n object, how many object you have to select? Then we can say that when we enter the shop, we can select a dozen donuts. So here we can say that the R equal to 12. Now R means 12, that means we have to select the 12 objects from the available n objects. So n equal to 20 and R equal to 12. Now according to our formula C of n plus R minus 1 R, that means 20 is a n and 12 is a R. So our formula is C of 20 plus 12 minus 1 12. That means C of 31 12. Now find the value of C of 31 12 using the combination formula, and we will get the 1 for 1, 1 to 0, 5 to 5 ways. So different type of this number of ways are available for selecting the donuts from the available 20. So here n equal to 20 and R equal to 12. Now see here another example of the combination with repetition. President Helen has 4 vice presidents. Number of vice presidents is 1, 2, 3 and 4, and name of the president is Betty, Goldie, Mary and Mona. So these 4 are the different vice president. So here problem is like this. here president want to distribute the some amount between this all vice president. So she wishes to distribute among them $1,000 in Christmas bonus checks. So here total $1,000 is available, where each check will be written for the multiplication of $100. That means total $1,000 is available. You have to divide this 1,000 into part of 100, 100, 100. So we have a total 10 check available for $1,000. So each check price is $100 and total price is $1,000. Now first concept in this example is allowing the situations in which one or more of the vice president get nothing. So here possible that no any president or no some president get some money or remaining president get the high money. Like this, here President Helen is making a selection of size 10, that means R equal to 10, because 1000 divided by 100 equal to 10. From a collection of size 4 means N equal to 4. For vice president, that means N equal to 4. 10 check available, that means R equal to 10. Now with repetition we can find the different combination is like C of N plus R minus 1 R, that means 4 plus 10 minus 1 10 is equal to C of 13 10 is equal to 286 ways. So here we have a different 286 ways for giving this check to this for president. Now add something in this concept. Our new concept or new idea for this example is, if there are to be no hard feelings, each vice president should receive at least $100. So your criteria is changed. Here criteria is compulsorily give the $100 to each president, each vice president. So here we can say that with these restrictions, President Helen is now faced with making a selection of size 6, because we have a total 10 check of the $100. Now we already decide that for each and every vice president get the $100. That means 4 check of the 100 are given to each and every vice president. So how many remaining check are available? So 6 check are available. Now this 6 check of 100 are distributed between these 4 president or 4 vice presidents. So our combination is N equal to 4 and R equal to 6. So C of 4 plus 6 minus 1 6, that means C of 9 6 and is equal to 84. Now after that, here we can say that the one selection of this is like 2 3 3 4 4 4. Now what is the meaning of this? Here meaning of this is, here first we write the 2, that means second president. 2 time we write the 3 means 2 time we can consider the third president, and 3 time write the 4, that means 3 time we use the fourth president. That means this calculation is how many number of extra check given to the president. So here one number is not available, that means first president not get any extra check. So first president only get the one check of 100. Now here we write the 2, that means second vice president get the one extra check. So second president get the $200. Now third president, here write the 2 times 3, that means third president get the 2 extra check, that means total rupees for this is $300. Now for the last president, you will get the $300 extra, that means total amount for the fourth vice president equal to $400. Now here consider the another condition. If each vice president must get at least $100 and Mona as an executive vice president, then Mona get at least $500. Then the number of ways presenting distribute the checks between these 4 vice president. So see here possibilities of that is, here Mona at least get the 500, that means Mona get 500, exactly 500, or Mona get exactly 600, or Mona get exactly 700. These 3 are the possibilities. Now consider the first. If Mona gets exactly $500, then what is the probability? What is the combinations? So for that, Mona get the 500. So 500 is removed from the 1000. Now each and every person exactly get the 100. That means remaining 3% get the 100. That means 800 subtracted 8 check already distributed from the 10 check. Now only 2 check are remaining. That means here 2 check will be distributed between the remaining 3%, because for distributing the remaining 2 check we cannot consider the Mona, because already we give the amount Mona to 500. So for that 3 plus 2 minus 1, because 2 check distributed between the 3%, 3 vice president. So 3 plus 2 minus 1, 2. Now another case. If Mona get exactly 600, means 6 check given to Mona. Now remaining 3 check already given to each and every person. That means remaining 3% will get the 100, 100, 100. Now only 1 check is remaining. That means combination is R equal to only 1. So n equal to 3, R equal to 1. That means 3 plus 1 minus 1 and 1. Now last case, Mona gets exactly 700 and remaining 3% will get the 100, 100, 100. That means total 1000 are distributed. That means nothing is remaining. So R equal to 0. So 3 plus 0 minus 1, 0. So this answer of these 3 component, total of these 3 component is equal to 10. Now in another way, using the another way, we can also calculate this thing. That means total 4 plus 2 minus 1, 2. That means we distribute the 500 to Mona. Then 100 to each and every person. So distribution is like 5 plus 3, 8 check already distributed. Now remaining check is 2. Now this 2 check will be distributed to each and every person. That means we can consider all the 4 members. So n equal to 4 including Mona. And 2 check are available. So 4 plus 2 minus 1 is equal to 2. So this is a solution for this problem. Now after that, consider the another problem. In how many ways can we distribute 7 bananas and 6 orange among the 4 children? So that each children receive at least 1 banana. So our criteria is each children getting at least 1 banana. So minimum 1 banana given to each children. Here total 4 children are available and total 7 bananas and 6 oranges are available. Now for this problem, after giving the each children to 1 banana, how many bananas are remaining? So here we give the 4 bananas to 4 children. So only 3 bananas are remaining and these 3 banana distributed to 4 children. So what is the possibility for that? So for that we represent the table. In table first part A represent the 1, 2, 3. That means 1 banana, 1 extra banana given to first children, 1 extra banana given to second children and 1 extra banana given to third children. Second possibility 1, 3, 3. That means 1 banana, 1 extra banana given to first children and 2 extra banana given to third children. And this is also represented in figure B. In table B, here first B represent the banana for first children, second B represent the banana for second children and third B represent the banana for third children. And then we use also the bar symbol for separating this all the things. Now see here. Here how many ways are possible for this banana? So here there 6 symbols are available in this table, 3B and 3 bar. So total 6 symbols are available. So according to our formula of the combination, we can say that the different 6 symbols are available. So 6 factorial divided by 3 factorial into 3 factorial. That means C of 6, 3. And using the our new formula of the repetition with combination, we can say that the n plus r minus 1. So here n equal to 4 and r equal to 3. So C of 4 plus 3 minus 1, 3 is equal to 20 ways for distributing the banana among these 4 children. Now another thing in this example is orange. So orange also distributed between these 4 students. So no any criteria for the orange like this. Each and every student exactly get the 1 orange. This criteria is not given. So How many possible way for this orange? So here total 6 orange are available. So 6 O represented in this table as a orange, and here 4 student available. So 4 minus 1 means 3 bar separation bar are used. So total symbol equal to 6 plus 3 equal to 9. So here we represent 9 factorial divided by 6 factorial into 3 factorial. That means C of 9 6. Using the new formula of the combination with repetition, we can write the C of 4 plus 6 minus 1, because n equal to 4 and r equal to 6. So 4 plus 6 minus 1 6 equal to 84 ways for representing or giving the orange to children. Now total possibility, total combination possible are consider as a 20 for the banana, 84 for the orange. So 20 multiply 84 is equal to 1680 ways to distribute the fruits under these situations. So this is a simple example of the combinations. Now consider the another example of combination with repetition. A message is made up of 12 different symbols and is to be transmitted through a communication channel. In addition to the 12 symbols, the transmitter will also send a total of 45 blank space between the symbols, with at least 3 space between each pair of consecutive symbols. In how many ways can the transmitter send such a message? That means here criteria given is like this. Total 12 different symbols are available and total 45 space are given in this message. Now between the two character, between the two symbol, you have to compulsorily give the minimum 3 space. That means here we can say that the total 12 different symbols are available. So 12 factorial ways are possible for arranging these 12 different symbols. Now after that, here we can say that the 12 different symbols are available. That means between these 12 symbols, we can consider 11 space available. So 11 different possibilities for putting the space. Now between the two character, you have to compulsorily put the 3 space. That means 11 multiply 3. 11 location available for putting the space, because 12 symbol is available and between the two symbol we put the space. So 11 possibilities for putting the space. Now 11 multiply 3, that means 33 space compulsorily given from the 45 space in this between the two character or two symbols. Now here remaining space equal to 45 minus 33 equal to 12. So for this 12 space, we have to arrange this 12 space between the different 11 locations. So here we can say that the size of the 12 space and size location is equal to 11. That means we calculate here n equal to 11 and r equal to 12. So 11 plus 12 minus 1, 12. So total possibility is 6 for 6, 6 for 6 ways. Now different possibilities for the message transmission. So message transmitted using the 12 plus 11 minus 1, 12, it is a different way for putting the space. But how many ways for putting the character or symbol? So 12 symbol are available and 12 symbol can be changed their location using maximum 12 factorial ways. So we can say that the 12 factorial multiply by 20 to 12. That means we can say that the 20 to C12. So total answer is 3.097 multiply 10 raised to 14 ways. Now after that, here consider the another example as a equations. So now in this equation, determine all integer solution to the equation is like x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4 equal to 7. Now what is the meaning of this? Here addition of x1, x2, x3 and x4 are equal to 7. Now here what is the value of xi? That means x1, x2, x3 and x value. Possible value is 0 or greater than 0. So no any negative value are possible here. For all 1 less or equal to I less or equal to 4. Now for this, we can say that the one solution as a x1 equal to 3, x2 equal to 3, x3 equal to 0 and x4 equal to 1. So 3, 3, 0, 1, it is a one solution. Now if we use this for same character 3, 3, 0, 1, then so many possibilities for that. So for example, x1 equal to 1, x2 equal to 0, x3 equal to 3 and x4 equal to 3. This is another solution using this same thing. Now here we can say that the possible interpretation for the solution x1 equal to 3, x2 equal to 3, x3 equal to 0, x4 equal to 1 is 7 different. Total of these four things is equal to 7. That means we have to consider here, we have to distribute this 7 thing between the 4 person x1, x2, x3 and x4. So among the 4 children we have to distribute these 7 pencils or like this any object. So n equal to 4 and r equal to 7 because between the 4 person you have to distribute this 7 things. So n equal to 4 and r equal to 7. So final calculation is C of n plus r minus 1 r, that means 4 plus 7 minus 1 7 is equal to 120 solution for this problem. Now same way here consider the common formula for this type of problem. We can say that the number of integer solution for the equation x1 plus x2 plus x3 up to xn is equal to r, where xi greater or equal to 0 and for all 1 less or equal to I less or equal to 4. That means here total of these all are considered as a value r and number of object is considered as a n. So for this we can say that the number of solutions with repetition of size r from a collection of size n. Another thing is the number of ways r identical objects can be distributed among the n distinct objects. So here we can say that this is a one way or representing the common equation for this type of problem. Now see here, in how many ways we can distribute 10 identical white marbles among the 6 distinct containers. So here 10 objects available as a 10 marbles and we have to distribute this 10 marble between the 6 containers. So see here equation is like this, x1 plus x2 plus x3 up to x6 because different 6 container are available. So x1 to x6 is equal to 10, that means total distribution is equal to 10. So we already know the value of n and r. So here n equal to 6 and r equal to 10. So using this formula we can find the C of 6 plus 10 minus 110 equal to 3003. So this is an example of this type of problem. Now see here, let us determine all the different way in which we can write the number 4 as a sum of positive integer. So here different way are possible for adding the different number and our resultant value is equal to 4. So this value is like this. First we directly write the 4. Second thing is 3 plus 1 is also 4. 1 plus 3 is also 4. 2 plus 2 equal to 4. 2 plus 1 plus 1 equal to 4. 1 plus 2 plus 1 equal to 4. 1 plus 1 plus 2 equal to 4, then 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 equal to also 4. So these 8 combinations are possible for writing the 4. Total of this number is 4. Now in this case here total way is 8, but here some are repeated. For example 2 and 3 both are the same if we consider the distinct element, because 3 plus 1 is same as 1 plus 3, both the object 3 and 1 are equal. So here we can say that the second and third are equivalent. 5, 6 and 7 is also same. So here distinct combination is only 5, but total combination possible for the 4 is equal to 8. Now here formula, common formula for this type of problem is sigma k equal to 0 to m minus 1. M minus 1 c k, that means total equal to 2 raised to m minus 1. So see here using this formula we can find the value of composition of 12. How many composition of 12 are possible? So we find this thing using the 2 raised to m minus 1 formula. So here 2 raised to 12 minus 1, that means 2 raised to 11 is equal to 2048 composition possible for the value 12. So here 12, that means composition of 12, that means x1 plus x2 plus x3 up to the any value of x, and we find the total equal to 12. Now here we find this value as a 2 plus 4 plus 6 is equal to 12. Now our additional scenario is like this. If our interest is in the find the value or summation is an even number, then we consider the 4 instant composition such as 2 plus 4 plus 6 is equal to 2 into 1 plus 2 plus 3. Now second is 8 plus 2 plus 2, that means consider the 2 as a common, then composition is 4 plus 1 plus 1. Now third is 2 plus 8 plus 2, that means 2 is a common, then 1 plus 4 plus 1. Now 6 plus 6, 2 is a common, so 2, 3 plus 3. So these four are the different combination for that. Now here 2 is a common. So our second part in this four equation is, we can say that this is a composition of 6, because we want to find the only even number. So in 12 composition, if we find the even number, then this become a composition of 6, and composition of 6 equation is 2 raised to 6 minus 1, that means 2 raised to 5 equal to 32. Now here in this lecture we discuss about the different problem of compositions or repetition with compositions. Thank you for watching this video.